Hey guys, Donnie with Boat Lift Helper. Wanted to make a quick video here of us taking the boat lift out in the fall with our Boat Lift Helper system. As you can see, when we're inflating it, we're focusing on one bag at a time, and after it rises to the surface, continue to inflate that bag till it's nice and full. From there, walk it up to shore. It's always good to have at least two guys, if not three or four, especially the first time around. Here we're putting our wheels on. We got one wheel on the side, and then from there, we actually just spin the lift around so we didn't have to get in the water to attach to the other one. Then once that wheel is on, we will float it into shore a little bit closer and then start deflating the bags and roll it out. And as you'll soon see here too, the bags stay nice and flat, so when you are rolling it, everything's nice and tight to the bottom beam.